If I just wanted to talk through this stuff with the students, how could I add my voice? So that's done through the slideshow menu. My webcam is currently occupied doing something else, so it's not going to allow me to put my face, luckily, in the corner of this. But if you had a webcam, you can actually put, have your image, your face in the corner, and then talk through whatever you want. Or you can turn the webcam off, as I'm doing, and just verbally talk the students through the task they need to do. So if I press record slideshow, okay, it will take me to a screen, a control screen here, which shows the slide in the middle. There's the ability to move left and right in the presentation on the side. Up here in the corner, we've got a record button, we can stop, and we can press replay, so we can have a little look and see what it looks like. Any notes that we've added to the slides, which are at the bottom of the normal PowerPoint slide. So here I've put a little script in, so I know what to say. So you can actually script your audio. Okay, so you can make sure that you know what to say, pre-script it. There's options settings here which allow you to decide what microphone you're going to be using. So in this case, it's going to be using my webcam microphone, which I'm not currently using for this Teams meeting. It's going to try and use the webcam for the camera, but it's going to fail. I think that's why it's got a cross through it down here. You can even record a complete audioless demonstration if you want to, and turn everything else off. There's also the ability to annotate as you go, so you can just even with the mouse just sort of get a red pen and just circle things as you go along, which is potentially quite useful. And all I have to do is just press record. Now, the only thing you have to remember with this is that when you're moving from slide to slide, the audio isn't recording. So it doesn't actually record audio while the transition is happening. So it's quite useful to know that. So I'm just going to do a couple of these slides and then turn it into a video. So here we go, press record. It'll count down. Welcome to this presentation. Let's look at what we're talking about today. We're going to be initially starting with how to create a Teams meeting. We're then going to talk about how to invite recipients and how to change meeting options. Okay, I'm going to stop recording at that stage. I should then be able to go back to the original slide and replay so I can see what it sounds like. Let's see how this works. I'll just realised that you won't be able to hear the sound from the computer unless I press that button. So let's look at what we're talking about today. We're going to be initially starting with how to create a Teams meeting. We're then going to talk about how to invite. Okay, hopefully that gives you the idea. So that's now been set, and at that point I can just close down this little screen. That should basically now be set up. So to record a PowerPoint narration, it's using this option here. If you've mucked it up and want to clear it, you've got the option to clear the narrations or clear the timings, because it remembers when you click on as well. And the final stage is to get that in a form where the students can actually listen to it. Now, there's absolutely no reason why you can't now save the PowerPoint presentation and literally send that directly through to your students. Okay, they would be able to play the presentation back and hear the audio. But you can also pack it together as a video. So export, so file, export, create a video, and then create video. And that will ask you where you want to put your video. So I'm saving this into a folder on my desktop. So clicking save. And down here in the corner, it gives you a progress bar showing how that video is progressing. Now, Microsoft Stream, again, I've shown with the example of doing a recorded video, so doing a screen recording. I think I demonstrated on that how to add a video to stream, but it really is a case of just dragging the video in. So I'm just going to go to Microsoft Stream. So if you've not accessed Microsoft Stream, there'll probably be a sort of welcome page that says welcome to Stream and teaches you how to do things. You'll see here, for example, there's a video highlighted here, which is from PE, because I know they've been recording some PE videos in Stream. You literally just press create, upload video. So if you've ever uploaded a video to YouTube or any other platform, it's pretty much the same. Essentially, when you've got your video loaded, you can drag the video file directly into Stream. This will probably reject it because it's too small, but it will upload. It may have actually done it correctly. It should upload the video, process it, and then make it available through a share link. So you can provide the students with a link to the video. Just copy the link, paste that into Show My Homework, and the students should be able to access that without any difficulties.